Hi, my name is Cassandra Tete. Welcome to Game. Last year, the experience was amazing. We had a room full of CEOs who were facilitated by sales experts, marketing experts, entrepreneurs, and business owners.
About 300 people were gamified as I shared my experiences and thoughts on advanced digital marketing strategies, which has been the backbone of my businesses over the years. My name is Janice Tego.
My name is AJ Akwako Sapon, and I'm here to put you on the game, the Ghana Academy of Events and Marketing, and this is about to revolutionize the game as you know it. And we have a series of exciting events that are going to be making this happen, starting off with Game Plan. Game Plan is focused on bringing the big answers to all the conversations and the questions you've ever had about marketing. As well, we move on to the Masterclass, which we're introducing you into a room filled with experts, talking policy, conversations around marketing, and making you the next big thing you've always expected yourself to be. Now, the big question is, are you one of them?
Are you a business owner? Are you a young individual who is looking at being a genius at this marketing game? Well, this is an opportunity to grab. My name is Miriam Uduak-Mensah, and connect with us on all social media platforms. The game is here to stay. Be gamified.